From Orlando, Florida, Sean Carter, known as Jay-Z. At least I'm told it's Jay-Z. I don't think it's the real Sean Carter. Is this the real Sean Carter?
Yeah, that's a shortcut for Juan Carlos.
Jay-Z from Orlando,
Yes,
Florida.
sir.
What's up?
I'm married to a U.S. citizen for the last 47 years.
Is her name Beyonce?
Yeah. And I'm married. And today for tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, I never do the paper, and I decide to do the paperwork.
Oh,
because she was
finally,
enslaved.
47 years later. Good. So what's your question?
Right. My question is, I went to court for an interpreter for somebody who's getting divorced.
Uh-huh.
And that day I went to the Saturday before, we went to a bachelor party, and I was set up. When I went to the court on Monday, they found a little blade and a little small bag of residuals in my wallet. And because of that, 5 attorneys, they told me that I cannot do and finalize my paperwork. Is it true or not?
Well, it depends. Were you arrested?
Well, apparently the record said that I was arrested.
Okay. Were you found guilty of something?
No, I got a public attorney. He said to me, in order for you to get free in this one, he said, you plead guilty, and that's it. You're done.
Well, what did you plead guilty to? Depends what you pled guilty to.
To a misdemeanor in possession of paraphernalia.
Okay. And is this your only arrest ever in your lifetime?
Yes, sir.
And how did you come to the U.S.?
I come from Chile in transit to Canada. And back then in 73, immigration, it was not that bad at all. They let you come out with the luggage, and we decided to stay in New York.
Okay. So how have you ever tried to get a green card in the United States ever in your life? How come you missed the amnesty in the 80s?
No, I haven't tried to get any documentation in the United States.
Never in your lifetime?
Never in my lifetime.
Well, you're going to have it. You may have an issue adjusting your status if you made a legal entry into the U.S.
Okay. I have my passport that I come through the immigration in New York.
You did
Kennedy.
come through immigration then. Okay. All right. So then that's a different story. So you came from Canada in transit to go back to Chile and stayed.
No, I come from Chile in transit to Canada.
Got it. Okay. So you did make a legal entry. All right. So this is the story. You're allowed to have one petty offense. It sounds like you have a petty offense. You'll still be eligible to adjust your status. And even if this turns out not to be a petty offense, you've been here for 40-odd years, I think we would get your waiver approved.